coach Neeraj from Prudent. Do you feel hardened by the questionable refereeing more than anything else?
I have to be. I don't know if you heard, but I've just been on the TV saying, you know, I hate complaining about referees. But when there are two sides that are closely matched, as we were on the night, then you want the difference to be a beautiful individual piece of football, to score a goal or something like that. You don't want it to be a mistake, and you don't want it to be a poor refereeing decision. When the penalty was given, I looked at it and I didn't have a great view. And I thought we maybe jostled him or something like that, but you know, I've just seen it on TV and Andre BK clearly makes contact with the ball and it should have been a corner. So we go in at half time, 1-0 down. We get back in 1-1. And you know, the second goal, I would say, obviously was a good piece of finishing. So a question mark about maybe offside, I don't know. Again, I'll look at that. And I don't want it to be about referee deciding games. The ISL, I'm sure, doesn't want it to be about the referee deciding games. I feel hard done by, because I think we played a full part in the game. We had, you know, some pressure at the end, which I was hoping that would convert into a goal. But, you know, we've got to get ourselves ready now for the next one.
After the last match, you had said that football is a bit unjust and you didn't deserve to win, didn't deserve to lose. Today, do you think the result is a just one?
Bueno, yo creo que ha habido partidos que hemos jugado mejor y no hemos conseguido ganar.
I think that there have been games where we played better and we haven't been able to win.
Creo que hoy ha sido un partido donde hemos sufrido mucho.
I think today's been a game where we suffered quite a bit.
Pero para poder ganar hay que saber sufrir.
But for a team that needs to know how to win, they need to know how to suffer.
Y yo creo que el equipo hoy ha sabido sufrir y ha conseguido 3 puntos muy trabajados, muy importantes y contra un rival muy complicado de jugar.
And I think today the team learned how to suffer and how to win against a team that was very hard to win against.